The thought of building a chapel in the ancestral village, lost in the 1950s, won't leave my mind. The reason behind this remains unclear. It is about restoring what was lost in honor of the talents of my ancestors, but also about offering something to the living so they can look inward. I work with old architecture, and in old churches, I see and feel not the religious, but the grand, worldly, and human aspects. The work reflects the inner strength and beauty of my ancestors. A chapel is not needed here, but I am torn between thoughts of debaptism and the interests in my ancestors' historical past, which is tied to Christianity. I don't plan to leave this work. I belong here, but soon I will have to decide about debaptism. Maybe a new chapel can serve as a payment. You have a point. Of leaving the Christian egregore, what consequences may I face as a chapel builder? Here is the thing. Creation must care for, the Creator must take care of his creation. Right. Until someone else takes on that mission. Once you have built it, take care of it, maintain it, and find the right guardians. But first, an agreement. If you've decided to leave this system, perhaps the reason you're being pulled is because a sign has been sent to you, and as a price for leaving, you are being asked to do precisely this. That's why you feel this pull. It's simply that you are a professional, and what you're being asked to do is something you're skilled in. Sometimes, there are people who leave and ask, "What now?" They are asked for something different. What are you good at? What do you have in abundance, so to speak? Do you have extra money, a spare coin in your pocket? Give it to us. Extra love. We'll take it. Extra health. We'll take away your extra health. Generally, it is everything that they themselves once gave you. Perhaps your talent, your ability, or your skill was once given to you by this system, or at least they participated in it. And now they're asking for a fair repayment. That's it.